For me, I just want to make mesmerizing, relaxing videos and connect people with their favorite places. I'm Riccobene, and I'm a product designer and a data sculptor. We're in the concrete products industry, and we develop and patent and manufacture concrete products that you can find at Lowe's home improvement centers. My grandfather and my father used to sculpt stone and plaster with their hands for years. It took months to develop products, but when I was exposed to CNC in architecture school and art school, I realized that I could really revolutionize our business. And finally, that's when we decided to buy a Freedom machine from DMS. Well, I wasn't really used to working with something so precise. It really opened up a whole world of possibility for us, and also the size of it allowed us to make concrete molds that were enormous. The Fagor controller was really easy to learn. I jumped from an X-Carve to a Fagor controller, and after a few days, it was kind of second nature. It was really intuitive. Well, I went to architecture school. So I learned the workflows and processes and software used to manipulate and process elevation data. And I realized if I combined that with a CNC machine, I could make really precise representations of places on Earth. The first place I made was Zion National Park. I layered up all different kinds of hardwood to represent the different layers, like the river, the canyon, and the top of the canyon. Once I saw it, I just realized it came alive right in front of me. And that really inspired me to keep exploring and finding new places to make. Well, I decided to shoot a video just for myself to see what I could do. And I posted it on Instagram, and it really took off from there. And at first I was really overwhelmed by all these people who had eyes on me. Now I've come to appreciate such a wide and diverse audience that are really supportive from all around the world. I've done mountain ranges. I really like volcanoes because they tell a geologic story just by looking at them. And islands, and I've also done game maps as well from video games. I've done all sorts of materials: plastics, urethane, wood, of course, and I also make my own plywood sometimes, colored plywood. What you see on my Instagram is sort of my research and development, trying to come up with a product that I could sell people. And I've got thousands of people who are ready to buy what I make, but I want to deliver something at a really high quality that'll last a lifetime. The Fagor controller plays a huge part in my content, and I really couldn't shoot the videos like I do without it because of the control that I have over the machine as far as feed rates go and dialing things in to the right specifications for a time-lapse video. You can find me on Instagram. You can just search dom.r and I should show up, and Google, I guess. Yeah.